Well, the local campground opened on April 1st. I have not yet been out there, but over the years, there's a common mistake that I see happen all the time. This video is brought to you with the help of TubeBuddy. If you are a YouTube content creator and you want some help, check out the link in the description box below, and you can get a free version of TubeBuddy to try out today. One of the things that I enjoy watching when I'm car camping is people trying to light fires, because sometimes it can be hilarious. People will stop at a gas station or a grocery store and buy these bundles of firewood, and they'll bring newspaper, and they think that the newspaper is going to light logs. Anyway, sometimes I just sit back and watch and watch and watch and let them you figure things out for themselves. Sometimes I will intervene or intercede. Sometimes I will bring something, kindling, whatever. But you can't go from newspaper. I don't ever use newspaper anyway. It ashes up. Newspaper's no good. But I'll see these people try to use newspaper to light logs. Well, here's the thing. I know that it's car camping season. And I know that right now it's early spring. It's April 25th, 2021. There are still dried materials from winter that I or you could be gathering, so that when you go car camping, you have tinder and you can get kindling. Let me show you just a few things that are still out there. Off in the distance there, I see some Phragmites. Makes for an instant tinder bundle. It's blowing in the wind. And you can see there's still dried grasses. You know, today is April 25th, and you still have dried stuff from winter. And if you gather it now, you can have it all summer long. You could have dried grasses, Phragmites, all the stuff that you would need for a good tinder bundle. But you got to get it before everything turns green. And there's always evergreens. You've got pine needles, pine cones. You've got the small dead twigs that are still attached to the tree that you could break off. They're high and dry. You've got pine resin or pine sap. You can collect all of these things so that when you get to a campground, you're not relying on newspaper to light logs. Here we have some more dried grass.